What's going on, YouTube? This is part 2 of the bridge job in the woods. Basically, the second day I went out there. The first day I got a lot done. I kind of came a little ill-prepared for the job, so I should have went and did what I did on the second day. So I got everything cut up. All I do is just put it in place. But I had more time this day. The other day I was chasing the dog. But this day it worked out great. And yeah, I mean, it was a fun little job. Obviously I cut down a lot of this footage just because I don't think I want to be watching, I think it was like 3 or 4 hours worth of just me welding. I just chopped it all up, so might skip ahead a little bit. That's just because I wanted to make it as get the most in it with the least amount of time, if that makes sense. Just no point in watching somebody else weld like that for that long. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoy, and thank y'all for watching. Well, you see me at the end of the video too, but thank y'all. Alright, YouTube, we are getting ready to head on back. So, as you see, we got all this loaded on the front of this power truck. This GoPro right there. So basically what we're doing is, as you can see, there's some cross members in there. This is a 3-inch channel with some ball stock or ball grate on top of it. There's some channel right here. I put these in the other day, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're gonna go ahead and add more over here, all the way down, to give it some rigidity, because it's pretty bouncy and pretty shaky at the moment. And as you see, this ball grate is just falling through. We need something for it to hit so it doesn't bend and have somebody fall through it. And the final thing we gotta do is put a railing up, which is what that is. I got another piece of that. So, let me come in here and show y'all. So, this is what it is. I don't have this GoPro set up, and I'll probably bring it all back once I'm done. But put those in the other day. Just gotta go all the way over with it. And then we should be in business. So, nothing too exciting. I just gotta, all this is just set on. Well, that one welded. I welded that last time. But I just gotta get the middle section done, which what I'll probably do is hop over to the end, get that done, and then I'll come to the middle just so I can space my cross members right. Once I get all them, then I'll work on the handrail. And then I gotta just cut all this flush. So, anyway, I'll bring you all back once I get some more done. All right. already. We made it. Alright, I'm gonna set y'all down. At the time I went ahead and pre-cut everything. So I'm gonna get set up and then I'll bring y'all back. Alright YouTube, so I got all this down, got those up. All I got left is put a piece of angle up on top of that and tie them all together. That 2x6 is gonna rest in. So that's all I left on that, and then I just gotta go through and trim this down to the edge. And I'm gonna do that, and then I take a couple pieces of this and then just fill that hole in. And other than that, we should be good to go. So it's coming along. My GoPro camera might die, so if it does, then yeah. But we're gonna get going. Try getting this knocked out. What's going on YouTube? Noah back here with another video for you. Well, this is actually going to be after most of the video. But thank you all for watching so far. Sorry it took me so long to get this video up, and sorry I didn't have a video last week. Just got busy and didn't want to just put something up to put something up, so I wanted to make sure to get this together for y'all. Yeah, but other than that, I mean, it's good together. Got some stuff in the works, so hopefully this next week I'll make some videos. I know I keep saying that, and I just keep getting busy, so paying will have a tendency of coming before YouTube for some reason, which shouldn't, but it does. That, and then I've had a few minor truck breakdowns and stuff of that nature, so I've been staying busy. So just a little recap for so far, since the last time I talked to y'all. Nothing major, just a lot of like little stuff, repairs and stuff of that nature. Couple of little modifications, nothing really too worth making a video about, or some of them I can't, so. That being that, yeah, I mean, work been going, staying pretty busy. Day job been a little busier, so that's always nice. Well, not always nice, but it is what it is. Just getting the glare from the computer on the background, but yeah, so yeah, this the video of the trailer done came out really good. I gotta say, I liked how it came out. I was gonna make a video at the end, just tying everything together. Problem is, I was chasing a storm. We're about to get a whole bunch of storms in there, so I didn't really want. I wanted to get out of there as fast as I could. If I make it back up there, because I go to that general area quite a bit, I might pop back there and just take a video of it. But other than that, hey, another little cool project that's sitting in the back of my truck. I got to cut down a rock bucket for what's the name of that? I got to cut down a rock bucket from not a skid steer. Oh, a skid steer, yeah. So it's just too heavy for the machine that they're trying to run it on. So I think I'm gonna take like 18 inches out. So I think it'll be a pretty cool project. I'm pretty sure I know how I'm gonna do it, but we'll wait and see if it's gonna work out how I think it's gonna work out. But I definitely make a video about that. That's probably gonna be, a lot of it's like 3/8 plate and 1/2 inch plate. So it's gonna be definitely a cool video. Definitely gonna get some flux core going on in that, some dual shield. I'm gonna pick up some just straight flux core on it because it's gonna be a good amount of just re-welding. So that should be fun. What else I got going? Oh, I went to an auction today. That's not a good thing. Picked up another project. Not that I needed one, but you know how no it is. So I'll make a separate video about that. But yeah, I built that skid for my for that Bobcat 250. I got a video of a lot of it, not of completely all about doing it, but a lot of just steps along the way and stuff like that. So I'm gonna get that, try getting that uploaded this week if I get some time to get all the footage put together. That's my biggest issue is I can make the videos, but I make them to where I have to push them all together, and that's where the time comes in. But anyway, I'm just blaming at this point, and I'm glad y'all have made it this far in this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. It was a blast job to do. Hopefully, there might be some more of these in the future. There might be a machine that's gonna make this a little bit easier in the future too. Y'all have to stay tuned for that. I think in the next couple, if it works out, it'll be showing up at my place in the next few weeks. It's another project, just like everything I have is a project. But when you can't afford new, you can afford projects, even if they cost twice as much and take twice as long. But hey, whatever, just follow the vibe. But anyway, I'm gonna put this on the end of that video, and yeah, I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Come on.